Good morning, good morning. This is your girl Candace with Cubs Urban Fashion, located right here in Birmingham, Alabama. It is Friday morning, October the 4th, 2024. And yes, I am up early. Y'all know on Fridays I don't work. This is how it's looking this morning. We have a nice view coming up. I wish I was in Florida somewhere, just getting up and looking out on the water and getting a great energy and vibe from the water and all of that. So yes, this is our early 7 o'clock morning. I'm gonna most likely be vlogging all day. Today gonna be a busy day for Cubs Urban Fashion. I need to run to Michael's about 10, run to the post office. What else? And do some more stuff. Yeah, that's Kanisha out there with Casey. So anyway, I'm just gonna get into the intro and then we'll be going back in and get my coffee and getting started. I want to show y'all some socks I'm working on for a young lady, and then 2 pair of socks I'm working on. But I'm Candace with Cubs Urban Fashion. I am your girl. Yes, I am. I am your Birmingham jewelry maker. And you see me. Look, you're going to get me raw and you're going to get me cute. Okay, but right now, you have me raw. Let's go. This is my art room. Y'all forgive me for how it looks. But this is what goes on. I am working on these socks right here for a young lady. And this is the bag. She said, just do you. She said, I always order from you. And I know you're going to be just fine with whatever you do. So, I got to finish that side now. So, that's what I'm getting ready to work on. These pair are for a birthday girl. That's one side. And this is the other side I have to finish up as well on hers. So you see what we got going on here. I will work on these 2 pair of socks. I have to finish, I think, 1 more pair blacks. Like I said, run to Hobby Lobby. Make 3 bracelets, pack it up. Get 2 more stuff packed up. Get that out. And I should be good. This necklace set is going out right here with some matching earrings. Yeah, we have a bunch of jewelry earrings over here for you all to purchase. You see something you like, just hit. Hey, comment below. Go to the website, www.cubs.online, and see what you like. Now, these earrings match the necklace I just showed you all, so that's going out too. But yeah, I got to give my baby some water. Y'all see how she looking? I just be overlooking her sometime. But I am going to go over here. I'm going to get my coffee ready. This is my little coffee station. She normally looks better than this, y'all. Okay. I'm trying to get her set up for, this is what I got to do today too. I got to get Halloween stuff out and set up for today. So like I said, today is gonna be a busy day. Yeah, like I said, today is gonna be a busy day. So, but I'm doing some content today. I've been lacking. I have been slacking. This is normally not me because I be about my business, especially with Cubs Urban Fashion, if nothing else. So I have been lacking, and I apologize for that. I just want to say, also I just want to say thank you to my new subscribers who have come in. I am 255. Y'all help me get to 500. Y'all watch these videos all the way through. Y'all comment, please comment. I've been loving the comments. I've been getting on the socks. We're going to get back to these earrings, these waist beads. I'm doing a video today on waist beads. How to tie your waist beads on. If you never have a waist bead, ladies, Men can win too because they want to lose weight. But ladies, let me adorn you. Order your waist bead. They are beautiful. You feel so good in them. But I had one of my favorite ones to fall off of me. And I think I have one left. I'm going to put her on. That is called my Abundance Protection. I'm going to put her back on. And then I'm going to make some more of her. So, yes. That's what I'm going to do. Get my coffee. Hold on, y'all. Hold on 1 minute. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna get that. I'm a driver. My drive is strong when I want it to be. I know if I did it on TikTok, I can do it over here. So I don't give up. I may slow up, but I definitely don't give up. I do not. That made me go so much harder. Like I said today. And I don't want to make this video too long, but long enough for you all to enjoy it. Long enough for y'all to enjoy it. Because once I do this one sock and show you all how to put these charms on, I think I'm going to come back when I get ready to go to, Hobby Lobby. Give a little content, not Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Give a little content in there and probably show the post office. And hey, that'll be, in the waist bead. So we're going to probably get a lot of content out of this one right here. This should be a good video with some of everything. But that's basically how this sock is going to look. That's going to go over there. Let me put that over there real quick. I want that blue to show. I want the blue to show. It's gold and blue. Because their colors are blue, red, white, and blue, I think. Our school colors. I just do it like that. Make it work that way. Look like that's the way you want to be anyway, so we're going to go the way you want to go. Don't force nothing. Yeah, but I think I'm going to do a whole shot too of all the pictures of the socks I have done. I'm sorry I brought it down here, but I had to grab that. Took it out y'all way. I had to grab it. Okay, there we go. So I will get with you all later. I just want you to see this. We're going to come back. So when we come back, we'll be ready for everything else. Talk to you guys later. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I am about to head to Michael's. Like I told y'all, I was going to go to Michael's. So I put me on something. Kind of got a little freshen up. Real cute, you know. Got my earrings on. Yeah, I am about to go to Michael's. When I get in there, I'll let you all ride with me. I done forgot my rings. Let me go back in the house and get my rings. But I am going to let you all ride. No, when I get there, we'll go in and see what all I need. It's going to be quick. Back out. I have like 3 runs. I'm going to accomplish this today. I will feel so much better. I have 3 runs. I'm going to do my best to get it done. But I am so glad you all are in here with me watching this. And just stay tuned. Bye-bye. Okay, we are here. Okay, I am headed to Michael's. So we're going to go inside and see what they have. Okay, so I decided to come down the aisle. What do you have? Your Halloween items at 50% off, and these are some candles they have out. And they're real cute, so if you like decorating for Halloween, this would be something cute you can put in. I went over to the other Halloween section and looked on the shelves. Y'all know I am a skeleton lover, so I was checking out what they had, and of course I found one that was something that I really like. It was a favorite one of mine. This one right here, I can take that and put that in my bathroom. Yes, I like Halloween. I have a little granddaughter, so I celebrate Halloween. Now, don't judge me, judge your holiday. Shit. Anyway, let's get back to the video. I am back. Okay, we did our our Michael's run. And I had to go ahead on and get some more of the Stretch Magic. And these beads here. I'm going to show y'all the bracelet. And of course y'all saw those. And I got these in replace of the other ones because they didn't have them. But I think I still have something left. And that was my total. It was like $34.61, y'all. I wasn't planning on spending that. I really wasn't. And for some stretching, you know, I'm gonna have to go back to Hobby Lobby, because I didn't know they charged $10, $9.99 for this. That's ridiculous. Michael's out of this thing themselves. So I'm eating over some leftover crabberry barrette. Whatever you call it. With one of them. Got my Pepsi. Yeah, I know I love a Pepsi. I still have another run, but I'm gonna try to see about money for that. What else? That's about it. When I finish this, I'm gonna do those bracelets, then run down there to the post office, get it out the way. That's my main goal right there. That post office run. I don't know why that'd be the hardest thing for me. And this sauce is hot, y'all. I love hot stuff. It'd be so good. What y'all got going on today? Comment below. Tell what's going on in your city. What you doing this Friday night. If you're creators, what are you creating? Have a date night plan, or just chilling, working, whatever. Comment below. And definitely let me know how you like the video. I showed y'all some cute stuff Michael's have for Halloween. That's what I got to do too. Put up the little Halloween stuff I have from last year. Y'all check my website out, www.cubs.online. And go there and see something you like. And look, if you never order from me, trust me, when you do, you definitely will enjoy your stuff. So take a chance on getting some. We got these beads in the back. Get your waist beading. I'm going to finish up. I'm going to stop because I don't want to take up too much space on this. Like I said, too much time. So And finish this, do that bracing. Do that run to the post office. And, I'm supposed to be going to this waterfall park with a friend called and asked me where I go with him just to go get away. It's like a good scenery. So that's why I'm going to try to get some content there and let y'all see that as well. But I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah, I'm licking my fingers. It's good. I'll talk to y'all later.